Meanwhile, relatives of the deceased student are demanding the bus driver be brought to justice. The grieving relatives gathered at the hospital and police station on Tuesday evening.
And I was at the hospital with my daughter having asthma when the car driver come up with the little girl, and the doctor come and identify the body. And the car parked over the hospital. All of a sudden, I see the police, they move it and carry come put over the station. So I wonder why, because all of my years, 44 years, I never see this happen yet in a line town. They man move an accident from hospital to the police station. So yeah, me want justice.
When we come out here now, she was at the hospital, and then the police came and took her by the station and said no one can see her, no one can see her. So we did like, why? That's not the right way. My right family is supposed to see her. So they say when with our sons come, then when them do them for them part, then we can be able to see her.
Look up, we need justice. Me tired of them and some here. Me can't believe them and some here really catch me on my yard gate. Right our yard gate, the little girl never get a chance to come out for it in dinner. Well, look, me can't manage and not everybody in there right here now, you know. If boy will lick him today, alright. You understand? Everybody did it alright and then my niece gone and nobody can get to see her. What is this?